Hi guys, it's ASBYT and today we're talking about the Xiaomi Mi A3, which is one of Xiaomi's most popular lines, and if the Mi A1 and Mi A2 are anything to go by, then this could potentially be pretty huge. So without further ado, let's get straight to it. If you're new to the channel and love everything tech, news, unboxings, reviews, then make sure you hit that subscribe button and ding that notification bell so that every time I post a video you are notified and can stay up to date with all of the latest tech. Now firstly, apology if my voice sounds a little bit weird. I went to a wedding yesterday and I'm struggling a little bit, but we're going to power through. Today we're talking about the Xiaomi Mi A3, the third in a very successful line from Xiaomi. Very similar to the Xiaomi CC9e, which was only very recently released as well, Android One, which is basically stock Android, and a very, very competitive price. The front display is going to be very late 2018, early 2019, very small bezels, and that sort of water drop or dewdrop notch. It's going to be a 6-inch HD Plus display. Whether you think everything should be a minimum of Full HD Plus now is another matter. The A3 line will come with in-display fingerprint sensors with Gorilla Glass 5. If we flip to the reverse, we again can see a triple camera setup, which is almost the done thing now. It almost has to be. If you're not doing triple, what are you doing? It's going to come with a 4000 mAh battery capacity, 18 watt fast charging through the Type-C port, 4 GB of RAM and either 64 or 128 GB of storage. It's going to have a primary 48 megapixel Sony IMX586 sensor with f1.8 aperture, and that sensor is incredibly popular across many different smartphone manufacturers. We're going to see an 8 megapixel wide angle lens and a 2 megapixel depth sensor lens for your portrait or bokeh shots. It's also going to come with a Snapdragon 665 SoC, which is an interesting choice for me. I'm not sure this was a great decision. The 665 is a pretty new chip and more power efficient than the 660, which we saw on the Mi A2, but certain benchmarks have reported it to perform actually slightly worse than the 660 in certain situations. Don't get me wrong, this phone is still going to be competent, but in this area of the market, it's so competitive. I'm not sure in terms of sales how well it's going to do. I'm not sure how this device, for example, would be better than a Xiaomi Mi 9T or the Redmi K20, of which both of those will be coming in a video very, very soon. I know a lot of you guys have been asking for my review on it. It's coming. Trust me. The price of the Xiaomi Mi A3 is roughly around the 20,000 Indian rupees mark, which translates to around 230 UK sterling. A little bit more in US dollars, of course. Here's where you guys come in. Let me know in the comment section below what you think about the Xiaomi Mi A3. Like and share if you did enjoy this video and found it helpful. Subscribe and hit that notification bell if you're new to the channel and want to be notified every time I post a video on anything tech, pretty much daily content here on YouTube. I love you and leave you. I'll see you in the next one. ASBYT, peace out.